My cultural diversity presentation is over LGBTQ plus education. So why is language important? It is how people identify, and it's an integral part of creating equal space for any community, but in this case, the LGBTQ community. Inclusivity within language is just as important as any other kind of inclusivity within a culture. So what does LGBTQQIA mean? L stands for lesbian, G stands for gay, B stands for bisexual, T for transgender. The first Q is for questioning. The second Q is for queer. The I is for intersex, and the A is for ally, or sometimes asexual, depending on which site you look at. So LGBTQQIA is the acronym referring to all sexual minorities. Sex versus gender identity, they are not the same. So sex is the gender that you are born with, a male or a female. Gender is your own internal personal sense of whether you're a man or a woman. So what do all these terms mean? Androgynous is gender expression that's neither distinctly female or male. Cisgender is when you identify as the gender you were assigned at birth. Transgender is when your birth assigned sex and your own internal sense of gender identity do not match. A few more terms. Asexual is when you have no sexual feelings towards anybody. Bisexual is when you're attracted to both men and women. Pansexual is when you are attracted to a person because of their qualities or personality, not because of their sex or gender identity. Defamatory language. So words have power. And like most minorities, there are words that should not be used anymore. They're not politically correct. These are just a few, which are fag, dyke, homo, sodomite, she-male, he, she, it, shim, and tranny. Negative association. In my opinion, a lot of minorities experience hate because of lack of education of the people who hate them. So I feel like if there was more education about what these things mean, as in the terms, I also think that there's a real push to associate the LGBTQ community with pedophilia, child abuse, sex abuse, bestiality, bigamy, polygamy, adultery, incest, which just fuels the hate. And fear breeds hate. And in my opinion, education can stop the hate. And these are my references. Thank you for watching my video.